Hey guys, it's Kaz at Diesel Doctor here. Just wanted to take a minute. I've had a tremendous amount of response about the video that we posted showing plasma weld technology on a Ford block and the effects of it and how thin it is. When you go to bore it out, you have to bore it farther than the weld, which is only about 20 thousandths. But anyways, and show how thin it was, and that's the reason for the failure. But I wanted to show you one thing, because I've had some crazy responses and some folks saying, you know, he hates Ford. That's not true. I love Ford. I own 3 of them. So, and some folks saying, well, it's been sandblasted. That's not true. It's exactly the way you see it. But here's how you can identify one that has been it's a Ford reman. If you've got a block sitting here and you don't know, is it a Ford reman or is it an engine that is just a pull out? It's an easy way to tell, and this is on 6.0s and 6.4s. If you'll look right here, you'll see on this block that there's nothing here. So this block tells me, for the most part, and to my knowledge, and if somebody has any more information on this, please let me know. But this is a thing that we see over and over again. This block right here is a factory block. I don't really have to worry too much about the holes being welded up or anything like that. Now, if we look back here, we can look at this block right here. I can show you. You'll see 2 slash marks right here. And these slash marks are the marks that they make at the factory after one has been welded up and remanned by Ford. So if you're going to buy a block, you know, an engine, look on the, and this would be on the driver's side. So you can look and see if this is actually one that has been done this way or not. But these are the, and I'm sure that there's other ways to identify it, but this is one of the ways that I know of. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope this clears up some things.